Thinking about moving overseas? It's one of the most exciting, life-changing choices you'll ever make. But here's the truth. The thrill of living overabroad can fade quickly if you don't get your paperwork, visas, and early settling in steps handled correctly. Today, we'll go through essential tips to help you prepare. So grab a notebook. This is the checklist you don't want to miss. Let's start with visas, the golden ticket for living abroad. Every country has different visa categories: work visas, student visas, retirement visas, and digital nomad visas. Start your research at least 6 to 12 months ahead to stay ahead of the game. Many visas require proof of financial stability, like bank statements, regular income, or pension deposits. Understand these requirements to ensure you're financially prepared for your move. For example, Portugal's D7 visa requires passive income. Thailand's retirement visa requires savings or monthly deposits. Estonia's digital nomad visa requires steady remote income. Common documents you'll need to include: your passport valid for at least 6 months, birth certificate, which may need to be notarized, marriage certificate if you're moving with a spouse, criminal background check, proof of income or savings. Always confirm requirements directly with the official embassy website. Immigration rules can change fast. Some visas only allow 1 entry per approval. If you plan to travel in and out of your new country, make sure you have a multiple entry status. Even a 1-day overstay can result in fines, bans, or deportation. Track your visa end date in your calendar and set reminders. Next up, paperwork. The part nobody likes but everyone needs. For your passport, renew early if it's within 12 months of expiring. Birth, marriage, and divorce certificates. Many countries require notarized and apostilled copies for residency. Medical records. Carry vaccination records, prescription lists, and a summary of your health history. Academic records. If you're studying or working abroad, keep certified transcripts and diplomas. Employment documents. Job offer letters, contracts, and references may be required for work visas. Legal authorization. Consider granting power of attorney to a trusted person in the U.S. to handle things on your behalf. Tax forms. Remember, Americans must file U.S. taxes no matter where they live. Organize W-2s, 1099s, or small business tax filings before you go. Pro tip: make multiple copies. Store 1 in your carry-on, 1 in checked luggage, and 1 in secure cloud storage. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And if you want to stay updated, turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Healthcare should never be an afterthought. U.S. insurance usually won't cover you abroad. Explore expat insurance providers like Sigma Global, Alliance, or SafetyWing. For prescriptions, bring at least a 90-day supply if possible. Check if your medication is legal in your destination country. Schedule a checkup, dental cleaning, and eye exam before departure. For vaccinations, confirm which are required or recommended for your destination. Have a local doctor or clinic contact saved as soon as you arrive. Now let's talk about where you live and how you'll handle mail. Start with short-term rentals like Airbnb or Booking.com to give yourself flexibility. Once settled, explore local rental websites, real estate agents, or expat Facebook groups. Read every lease carefully. Check for hidden fees, deposits, and utilities included. Be prepared to set up electricity, internet, and water services, which often require in-person visits. Set up UPS forwarding to a virtual mailbox service like Anytime Mailbox or the Traveling Mailbox. This way, you won't miss important letters, tax forms, or packages. Your first 30 days abroad set the tone for your new life. Here's how to make them count. Register with authorities. Some countries require expats to register within a certain number of days. Open a local bank account. Having a local account makes paying rent and utilities easier. For transportation, learn the local bus, metro, or train system. Buy a monthly pass early. Learn key phrases. Even basic greetings help break barriers and build respect. Join expat and local groups. Internation, meetups, and Facebook groups help you connect and avoid loneliness. Spend weekends discovering local markets, parks, and cafes. Find where you feel at home. The first weeks may feel overwhelming. Give yourself grace and remember, adjustment takes time. Safety is just as important abroad as it is at home. Learn the local scams. In some cities, scammers target newcomers with fake taxis, overpriced tours, or counterfeit money. Be aware of these and other common scams in your destination country. For transportation safety, always use official taxi apps or verified rides. Keep your passport in a safe place and carry a copy for daily use. Jewelry, high-end electronics, or large amount of cash can make you a target. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Finally, let's talk about emotional preparation. You may feel excited, then homesick, then frustrated. That's normal. To cope with culture shock, try to stay open-minded, learn about the local culture, and maintain a positive attitude. Schedule regular calls with family and friends. Establish habits like morning walks, gym visits, or a weekly market trip. Observe tradition, etiquette, and social norms. It helps you integrate faster. Writing down your experiences help track your growth and remind you of your why. Moving overseas is an incredible opportunity, but success depends on preparation. From visas and paperwork to housing, healthcare, and emotional resilience, each step makes your transition smoother. Don't let overlooked details derail your dream. Plan now, and you'll be ready to thrive. If you found these tips helpful, there's another video you don't want to miss. I share 10 countries Black travelers should research first. It's an honest, eye-opening look at destinations where the experience isn't always welcoming, and it's something every Black traveler should know before they go. If that's something that you need to see, then go ahead and click on this video right here. I'll see you there.